This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable browser extensions to run while you're in a private window on the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To enable an extension to run while you're in a private window, you have to manually enable it. The way to do that, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Extensions and place your cursor over Extensions. Then you'll slide straight off to the right, and you want to click on the top thing there, Extensions. That will take you to the My Extensions page, and it lists all of your extensions. And as you can see, I have the ability to allow while in incognito. That means it will run while I'm in a private window. And most extensions, not every one of them, but most extensions, like this one here, allow in incognito. If I wanted to run that extension in a private window, I would check that box. In the bottom one here, allow in incognito. If I wanted Social Blade to run while I'm in a private window, I would check that box. That is how to enable browser extensions to run while you're in a private window in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.